Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Sports Bar, and this is our first ever wrestling video, a pro wrestling video. Usually, I like pro wrestling. Amar doesn't like it, so I'll be doing this types of video alone only. And today we will talk about Great American Bash NXT shows. And today we had a main event, champion versus champion, where North American champion Keith Lee and NXT champion Adam Cole faced off in a winner take all match where the winner would get both the belts. And man, we got a very big, I think so. I did not expected Keith Lee to be holding both the belts, but the kind of momentum he's having since last year, last year when NXT became a 2-hour show, then then they started a feud with Dominic Dijakovic, where both men were showed pretty much very good, that whole good side of them. And after that, he had a Survivor Series, say brawl with Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns. I remember he pinned Seth Rollins at the Survivor Series event and created a near fall against Roman Reigns, but still could not manage to defeat him. And then after that, he won that NXT North American Champion, which is above his belt right now, against Roderick Strong in I think it was back in January, and he defeated Dominic Dijakovic. Then after that, he defeated Damon Priest, Cameron Grimes, and I don't remember Johnny Gargano also. So he had a lot of momentum behind him, but still having both the belt on him ahead of Adam Cole. I think so that was a surprising move for me, because I expected Adam Cole to win this match and lose the NXT North American title after 1 or 2 matches, and still keep hold of his NXT championship. But it was a surprising move for me to give Keith Lee both the belts, because it was not he deserved it. It was not like as he did not deserve it, but surprising for me. And yes, Keith Lee is our new NXT North American and NXT champion as well. He's the first person ever in NXT to hold both the championship, and he fully deserves it. The momentum he had, it was excellent again with Piaz, as I talked about it earlier. Now we will go on to some next. We'll go on to the full preview of this. Not a full preview. I will just point out 2 things. First of all, this event was put as a competition to AEW's Fighter Fest, because we all know AEW and NXT are in a ratings war right now. Both the shows run at the same time, and there's a rating war between in US right now, not in India, because AEW is not telecasted anywhere in India. In America, it is the ratings war. And AEW planned Fighter Fest a long time ago, but NXT just tweeted out to their fans that NXT will be having a 2-day event which is known as Great American Bash, and they just tweeted it out for I think 2-3 days ago, and it was haphazardly planned because of AEW's Fighter Fest. But still, it was a great pay-per-view. AEW's we can say AEW's strong point is their tag team division, whereas NXT's strong point is their women's division, which was showed in this 2-night event, because AEW has a lot of tag matches, a lot of matches where the tag teams were showed on the stage, whereas NXT had a lot of women's matches, and we got another one today, which was Candice LeRae versus Mia Yim in a street fight. It was amazing, I think so. And again, last week that fatal 4-way between Tegan Nox, Dakota Kai, and I think so it was Candice LeRae and Mia Yim. So that fatal 4-way was also a great showing, where Tegan Nox won that, and she's gonna face Io Shirai for that NXT Women's title next week. So that is going to be again a good match according to me. But the main news coming out of the center, that was Keith Lee winning both the titles. And I think so again, as I will say it again, he is a deserving athlete. He has shown why he deserves to win both the titles, and the crowd basically just is limitless, and crowd also support him. He has that crowd support. He's a great superstar, and I think so when he will go into the main roster, when anywhere between Raw and SmackDown, he's going to be a good asset for anyone. But they just keep on improving him. Now I'm interested to see what they will do of this scenario right now, with Keith Lee having both the belts. What they will do, for how long he will hold both the belts. I think so it will not be that long. When I think so after the match, I think so we saw Karrion Kross and Scarlett looking at the celebrations from I think so their production TV. So yeah, I think so we are going to see Karrion Kross versus Keith Lee next for the NXT title. we will just see how Triple H and all those NXT producers, how they move on forward with such scenario right now. But yeah, tough loss for Adam Cole. Now after defending the championship for 400 days, maintaining a record championship reign, losing the title, but Keith Lee, as I said already, deserving. He deserved the title as much as any other superstar on the NXT roster. So yeah, I will take your leave here, and please put your comments what you feel about this double champion T3 as a dual champion, and tell me if we should continue with more of these wrestling videos or not.